Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Brief Guide to Python History Files and Usage. Python history files are a convenient way to store and recall the command history in an interactive Python session. This tutorial will provide you with insights into what Python history files are, their purpose, and how to use them effectively. We'll also include code examples to illustrate the concepts discussed. A Python history file, often named .python_history, is a plain text file that records the commands entered during an interactive Python session. It serves as a persistent record of your Python command history, allowing you to review, reuse, and share your previous commands. By default, Python saves its history file in the user's home directory. The file name is usually .python_history. The location and name may vary based on your Python version and configuration. The history feature is typically enabled by default. However, you can explicitly ensure it's active by setting the python_hist file environment variable. Replace /path/to/custom/history/file with the desired location and file name for your history file. Accessing history in the Python shell. In the Python shell, you can navigate through your command history using the up and down arrow keys. Pressing the up arrow recalls previous commands, while the down arrow moves forward in the history. Saving and loading history. To save the command history from a Python session to a file, use the following command. To load a history file into a Python session, use replace /path/to/save/history/file and /path/to/history/file with the appropriate file paths. You can customize the behavior of the Python history feature by modifying the readline module settings. For example, you can adjust the maximum number of commands to store. This example sets the history length to 1000 commands. Adjust the value according to your preferences. Python history files are a useful tool for managing and recalling previous commands in an interactive Python environment. By understanding their purpose and leveraging the provided examples, you can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow when working with Python. ChatGPT.